Hi, I'm Izzy Sekula, Jamar Roofing and Sheet Metal, Commercial Superintendent, Project Manager, and Estimator. I also enjoy working out on the family farm and ranch operation. I take care of a nice herd of Brangus cattle. Ties my weekends up a little bit. We've got some really good crews out there to provide a quality product, and it makes it more fun when all of us are doing a good job, everything goes smoothly. It's less work and more of just getting a product out to a customer and everybody being happy at the end. All in all, sometimes hard work is just as much fun as playing. And I've been with Jamar 12 years in June, and we're all like family here. Dave's a real good boss to work for. He backs me up when I need him, and he lets me go when I'm trying to do my thing. And I think that makes a better fit for everybody. I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. Thanks a lot, folks. I'll see y'all out there on the roof.